Hi, I'm Leo Franks, I'm 14 and I'm home to take over my dad's business. I hope you enjoy the video and let's get straight into it. Today we're looking at a Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG. This car's a premium, has a premium pack. This car's finished in Designo Metallic Diamond White, which is just metallic white. Personally, I think it looks much better than the standard solid polar white. So yeah, there's upgraded 19-inch matte black cross-spoke forged wheels. Has V8 BiTurbo badging. Has black mirror caps, privacy glass, and also black performance exhaust system as part of the night pack. Performance exhaust system is optional. Has intelligent LED headlamps. AMG badging on the left, C63 badging on the right. Has a reversing camera which deploys out of that black tab. It's cousin state, so it's quite a large boot. You have electrically folding second row seats as well, so you have quite a lot of space. Has a doggy net as well. The parcel shelf also is electric. Also, as part of a premium pack, you had those intelligent LED lights I was talking about. Those basically just adaptive headlights. You also get the Burmester surround sound system as part of it with 11 speakers and about 500 watts. You have the memory pack with electric seats with cushion extension, headrest adjustment, the resetting memory, and also you get the electric adjustable steering column with memory. You get keyless go with a premium. You can also take that out and put the key in, as I'll show now. This car sounds quite nice with a performance exhaust system as well. It's head-up display. There's AMG performance displays in the middle here as well. You have turbo boost pressure, G meter, sport mode, sport plus modes. You have a stopwatch as well. Has paddle shift, down, up. They have a nice heavy feel to them. Aluminium. Has a carbon fibre interior package with a carbon fibre centre console, AMG badging on the lid, the aluminium trim, and also you get analog clock with that. Has a wide nav. Forgot to say, but this car's a 18 plate, 2018 model year. Also, a premium pack, you get the panoramic sunroof, which also opens electrically. You get command navigation with that. This car sounds nice. You can take a listen with the performance exhaust off. it on. Has USB ports in the middle here. As standard on the C63, you get Napa leather in black. Cruise control. Moving on to the front. Has quite a nice idling exhaust. Moving into the bonnet. It's handcrafted. This has a 4-litre twin turbo V8 with around 476 horsepower. It's quite powerful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.